smoking high, I am not round, I'm not round, no denying what I got now. Keep an eye out, keep it locked down, see me flying, never drop down, smoking high, I am not round, I'm not round, no denying what I got now. Keep an eye out, keep it locked down.
Alright, so I've lapped all the valves except for two. These are the two I have not lapped yet. I actually started lapping this valve, and I realize, if I can get this bag open, I realized as I was lapping them that right where the, see if I can get in the frame. But anyways, right around this lip right here where it actually laps and seats, there was pores in there, and basically that was what was, I don't know if I can get it in the image in the video, but that was what was causing it not to have any compression. So basically I ordered two new valves, because both E and F, both the intake on the side that wasn't firing were bad. So I got two intake valves right here, and I'm going to lap those two to these ports, and then that should be everything we need. I've already rehoned the block, the jug's back on, checked all my clearances, we're good to go there. So this should be the last bit, and then we'll be putting the springs and everything back on, working on getting this head back on the motor. what's up. So I've got the motor back on the bike right next to me. I've got the wiring harness just kind of mocked up, carbs on it, gas in it. I think we're ready to crank it up and see if it runs. So here we go.